Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For our next song today is going to be Wendy and Lisa, Waterfall. I hope you all enjoy it. Let's get into it, shall we?
Move slow. Now your time's at hand. Take heed, 'cause our love is past.
Yeah, that was excellent. That was a very fun video. That was. Wendy and Lisa are so great. I love their music and everything. And this one was fantastic. It was beautiful singing and that, and the instruments were on top of that, and the video absolutely fantastic. I hope you all enjoyed that one as well. It was very good, that was, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you all very much.